So great to see such a nice audience for this group. This is a group of 9 young performers, and everything that you see on stage tonight was created by them. So they created all of the ideas, all of the text, so all of the script stuff.
Everyone always says I'm too shy. Am I good enough? I want to be special. What makes me good enough? Am I good enough? I have no friends. Am I good enough? I was the only one. If you keep helping everyone, someone might help you. I wish they'd see more than just the broken parts. They only see the version of me I show them. And sometimes they don't even see. They only see what they want to. Excuse me, I told you 3 times already to stop disrupting the class. Go wait in the hallway until I come talk to you. It's always a problem. They want to get in trouble. For the attention. Why are they so weird? What's their problem? Why do they always have to be the center of attention? Why is it always me? Why do I only get noticed when I mess up? I want attention. For doing something right, for being good, for being more than the joke. I wanted to hide it very well, so I did. I learned this. I buried the wrong parts, the quiet parts, the parts I didn't know how to love. I buried the part of me that didn't make sense, the part of me that feels everything so deeply, that part of me that feels nothing. I buried it all. I pretended like nothing was growing. But you know, the thing about buried things, sometimes they bloom because of the dirt. You're such a mess. They say I talk too much. It's because I'm scared to leave this village. They said no one likes me, but I still smile to them every day. They say I don't try hard enough, but I'll try better than they'll ever know. I keep going, even when I don't see it. Even when it hurts. All I want is a fair life, and I'm done pretending it doesn't get to me. My fear is turning into anger. How do I let this go? I'm good at it. The darkness always seems to find a way out of